Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we are going to be continuing the series of cheap, inexpensive mods for your car or truck that are actually worth your time and money. Today's video is going to be a little bit of an oddball video per se, in the sense that this isn't actually something that you do to your car or truck, but it is definitely something that relates to the car or truck. For starters, this is the box that it comes in. Some of you may have already been able to guess what is inside this box by the hints I gave earlier, but this is going to be a key fob cover for, obviously, your key fob. The one specifically that we're going to be going over today is my wife's Ford Explorer key fob. You've got your lock and unlock button, your remote start, your trunk opening, and then the panic button. These all match up, obviously, to everything that is on this cover right here. You will not lose functionality with this cover. I'll show you guys a clip of me using all of them, but I do really like this. This kind of reminds me of like a cowboy saddle leather style pattern for this cover. There's a bunch of other ones on the market, but most of them are just a hard plastic cover that doesn't really do anything except remove this black part right here and change it to like a red or a blue or a carbon fiber or something along those lines. I wanted something a little bit more unique, something that I thought would be cool and kind of stand out in a really neat way. So there's really no installation per se part of this video. You simply remove the lining and then you slide this guy right in here. The only thing really to note is that there's a little hole right here and a hole right here, and inside the box you've got your little screw-in clip things right here to secure this and make sure that the key fob doesn't fall out or whatnot. I'll put that on right now. And just like that, we've got the cover on. Obviously, you've got these hard metal parts for the rest of the key ring or whatever else it is that you need to put on it right now. But I'll cut to a clip right now of me showing you guys that you do not lose any functionality in any of these buttons from the original key fob. Alright, so we can unlock, lock, trunk's opening up back there. So as you can see, you do not lose any functionality with this guy. And there you have it, guys. That is a wrap on today's video. Please give this video a thumbs up if you guys enjoyed it, or if it gave you any sort of ideas or whatever that you guys want to do to your cars or trucks at home. If you have any questions, please leave it down in the comments below. I always do my best to try and respond to every single one of you guys. Thank you so much for all the support. As always, any products that are talked about or reviewed or used on this channel are linked down in the description below. If you guys want to click on those links, it really does help me out a lot. But thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you guys in the next video. Peace!